This is gold. For 5,000 years, humans have killed for it, died for it, built empires around it, and yet, it's just a shiny rock. So why does everyone want it? Since the dawn of civilization, humans have been obsessed with gold, not iron, not copper, not food, gold. Why? Because it's beautiful, because it doesn't rust, it doesn't rot, it doesn't disappear. And because everyone agrees, it matters. That's it. Value isn't magic. It's agreement. But that agreement started a long time ago, around 3000 BC. Ancient civilizations found this strange yellow metal in rivers and in the ground. The Egyptians went insane. They believed gold was the flesh of the gods, specifically Re, the sun god. So naturally, they put gold on everything. Their temples, their jewelry, their coffins. If you were a pharaoh, you wanted to be wrapped in god flesh when you died. When King Tut's tomb was discovered in 1922, his coffin alone contained over 100 kilograms of gold, just to bury a teenager. But Egypt wasn't alone. Around 600 BC, the Kingdom of Lydia, in modern-day Turkey, changed everything. Instead of trading random chunks of gold, they created standardized gold coins, same weight, same purity, guaranteed by the king. For the first time, money was portable, trusted, and efficient, and it spread fast. The Greeks adopted it, the Romans adopted it, and the Romans loved gold. They paid soldiers in gold coins, ran their empire on it, until they ran out. When there wasn't enough gold, they made the coins smaller, or mixed them with cheaper metals. This is called debasement, ancient inflation, and it weakened the empire. Gold survived, Rome didn't. This pattern repeated, again and again, through the Middle Ages, into the Age of Exploration, when Europe heard rumors of unimaginable gold in the New World. The Spanish sailed west and found civilizations that used gold for art and religion, not money. The conquistadors melted it all down. Centuries of culture turned into bars, shipped back to Europe. Then came the gold rushes, California, Australia, South Africa. Hundreds of thousands dropped everything to chase gold. Most failed. The real winners sold shovels. By the 1800s, countries tried to control the chaos. They created the gold standard, paper money, backed by gold, stable, predictable, until war broke everything. World War I forced governments to print money without gold backing. Inflation followed. Then the Great Depression hit, and the gold standard became a prison. In 1933, the US made private gold ownership illegal, and in 1971, Richard Nixon ended it completely. Money was no longer backed by gold, just trust. Gold didn't disappear. It exploded from $35 an ounce to $850, because printing money is easier than finding gold, and governments never stopped printing. Here is the interesting part. While telling citizens gold didn't matter anymore, central banks kept buying it. China, Russia, India, even the United States, they never sold theirs. Because gold isn't about returns, it's about survival. Gold has outlived every currency, every empire, every system. As one banker said in 1912, gold is money, everything else is credit. Follow for stories. History doesn't explain simply.